Hello friends! Welcome to Lemurian Bedtime Stories. I'm Miss Jess, and today we're going to read a book that's really all about the imagination. The words are very simple, and the story is really meant for you to escape into and enjoy the illustrations, and maybe it will help you remember some of those special stories that you've imagined and adventures that you go on day after day in your own mind. The book is called Yellow Kayak. It's written by Nina Loudon and illustrated by Melissa Castrillon. Hope I got that right. Yellow kayak, blue sky, paddle swiftly, wave goodbye. Fish jump, loons float, seals watch, little boat. Shore recedes, waves grow, adventure begins, winds blow. Yellow kayak, gray sky, paddle carefully, seagulls cry. Squall starts, rain blowing, feeling lost, keep going. Love these pictures. Wind howls, ghostly sounds, paddle flies, surf pounds. Yellow kayak, lightning streaks, thunder roars, sea wall leaks. They're way up there. Rain stops, be brave, bail boat, good save. They made it through the storm. Darkness covers, fall asleep, lapping water, dreaming deep. Yellow kayak, sea below, squid dance, eels glow. Octopus visits, salmon run, otters splash, having fun. Shark wanders, fish dart, seaweed waves, clouds part. Yellow kayak, starry sky, storm passes, fins rise. Hulking monsters, spray blows, circle round, danger grows. Eyes watch, then understand, pushing gently toward land. Are they helping him? They're helping him get back home? Yellow kayak, lighthouse beams, welcomes paddler, sweet dreams. Morning dawns, rescue boat, home comforts, happy note. Orcas dive, shunning glory, leaving only this sea story. What an adventure! Oh my goodness. I felt like I was right there with them. It's so fun to go out on adventures and do things that we have never done before, let our imagination run wild. But at the end of the day, it feels so good to come back to the comforts of home, be with your friends and family, and share all of those stories. So I hope you enjoyed this story I shared with you tonight, and that you'll join me next time. Have a wonderful evening, friends. Bye.